Well, some people across the Ozarks have been getting calls that appear to be from law enforcement agencies saying the caller has warrants out for their arrest, but they can take care of it at the right price. You may have guessed it, it's a scam.
Fox 49's Michaela Strickland joining us live tonight in Stockton after speaking with one lady who got one of those phone calls that said she had warrants out for her arrest. She joined us now live from Cedar County.
Jessica Campbell had just woken up when her phone rang on Wednesday morning. After Campbell picked up the phone, she quickly realized that the sergeant on the other end was a scammer.
I listened to him for probably about 30 seconds before I knew immediately it was not legitimate. I was not expecting a phone call at all, especially on the home phone. If the home phone rings, I know it's really nothing I need to pay attention to.
When she answered the phone, the voice on the other end informed her of some legal troubles.
He said, "I have your signature here on the paper that you were supposed to have been in court yesterday, and that you did not show up. So when the bailiff didn't call your name, the judge issued a bench warrant for your arrest."
While Campbell knew the call was illegitimate, she says the voice is convincing if you're not paying close attention.
He was talking in terms that you would expect somebody in law enforcement to use a lot. He didn't stumble. It didn't sound like there was a script. He didn't even have a foreign accent. So it sounded like he could have actually been a part of a police force.
In November, the Stockton Police Department made a Facebook post warning people of the scam returning to the area.
We've had some scam calls going around, people claiming that they're ranked officials with law enforcement agencies in the area, and they're not. They're given a false name. A lot of them claim that they're a sergeant with either the police department or the sheriff's office, which obviously isn't the case.
Sergeant Justin Daniels says scammers can find phone numbers and personal information online, but there is a way to try to prevent these calls.
There's a lot of websites out there that sell your data online, so if you find yourself on those websites, try to get a hold of them and get your information removed off that.
Local departments say officers will never call and threaten you with a warrant or ask for any personal information. And if you receive one of these calls, the best thing to do is just hang up. Reporting in Stockton, I'm Michaela Strickland, Fox 49 News.